The forging of an enormous 235-ton steel ingot was launched by metallurgists in late March 2026, marking an important milestone in Russia's nuclear energy sector. This operation is being conducted at one of the world's largest automated forging complexes and signifies the beginning of production for a critical component of the advanced VVER-TOI nuclear reactor. The central cylindrical section of the reactor pressure vessel for Unit 3 of the Kursk Nuclear Power Plant-2 will be formed by the forged portion, which is referred to as the shell. This development highlights Russia's continued push toward advanced nuclear technology through innovation in materials science, engineering design, and industrial manufacturing. As Altitude Addicts observes, the VVER-TOI reactor represents decades of accumulated expertise in nuclear engineering. It is a next-generation pressurized water reactor that combines improved efficiency, longer operational life, and significantly enhanced safety systems. Moving deeper into the process, the scale and complexity of nuclear forging reveal just how extraordinary this achievement truly is. The forging of a 235-ton ingot is not just an industrial operation, it is a demonstration of precision engineering and metallurgical excellence. Designed to withstand extreme conditions such as long-term radiation exposure, immense pressure, and very high temperatures, the ingot is made from a specially formulated steel. Its internal structure and chemical composition must be carefully controlled to meet these demanding requirements. In total, the weight of steel ingots required for manufacturing the reactor vessel components will exceed 2,150 tons. Each ingot is cast and processed separately, with every piece assigned to a specific section of the reactor vessel. However, the largest ingot is reserved for the most critical part, the outer shell of the reactor core zone. What makes this component especially unique is its monolithic structure. Unlike traditional reactor vessels that rely heavily on welded sections, the VVER-TOI design eliminates weld seams in the core shell. This significantly improves structural integrity and reduces the risk of long-term defects or failures. As we transition into the materials behind this engineering feat, the importance of advanced metallurgy becomes even clearer. The steel used in the VVER-TOI reactor vessel is a specialized alloy designed to retain its strength and durability under extreme reactor conditions. Over decades of operation, reactor components face neutron irradiation, thermal cycling, and sustained high-pressure environments. These factors can cause embrittlement and fatigue in ordinary materials. To overcome these challenges, Russian engineers developed a steel grade that resists radiation damage while maintaining toughness. This allows the reactor vessel to function safely over extended periods without significant degradation. Because of these innovations, the VVER-TOI reactor is designed to operate for up to 100 years. Initially, it is licensed for 60 years, with the possibility of extending its life by an additional 40 years through proper inspections and upgrades. This dramatically improves economic efficiency while reducing the need for costly replacements. Shifting focus toward engineering and manufacturing, several innovations further enhance the reactor's efficiency. One of the defining features is the reduction of welded joints within the reactor vessel. While welding is essential in many industries, it introduces potential weak points. By minimizing welds, engineers have improved both reliability and production efficiency. Fewer welds mean faster manufacturing, reduced labor, and simpler maintenance. Inspection processes also become easier, as there are fewer critical junctions to monitor. This leads to lower operational costs and improved overall performance. Another major innovation lies in the design of the main circulation pump. Traditionally, such systems rely on oil for lubrication and cooling. However, the VVER-TOI reactor uses water instead. This eliminates fire risks and removes the possibility of oil leakage, making the reactor safer. Naturally, this leads us into the safety systems that define modern nuclear design. Safety remains the highest priority, and the VVER-TOI combines both active and passive safety mechanisms. Active systems require external power and control, while passive systems function automatically using natural physical principles like gravity and pressure differences. One of the most remarkable features is the core catcher. This device is designed to contain and cool molten nuclear fuel in the extremely unlikely event of a severe accident. As highlighted by Altitude Addicts, this is one of the most advanced safety technologies currently available in the nuclear industry. Together, these systems ensure that the reactor can withstand a wide range of emergency scenarios, including power loss, coolant leaks, and external impacts. These advancements align with international safety standards and strengthen trust in nuclear energy. Turning now to the broader project, the Kursk Nuclear Power Plant-2 plays a central role in this transformation. It is designed to replace the older Kursk plant, which operates RBMK 1000 reactors from the Soviet era. These older reactors are gradually being phased out. The new facility will consist of 4 power units equipped with VVER-TOI reactors. Once completed, the station's total power output is expected to increase by about 20%, significantly boosting regional energy capacity. The first unit has already been connected to the grid and has reached full power. It is now preparing for full commercial operation, marking a major step forward in adopting next-generation nuclear technology. At the same time, progress continues across multiple units at the site. Unit 2 is undergoing preparation for safety testing, with engineers conducting a series of system checks under various operating conditions. Meanwhile, Unit 3, the one linked to this massive forging process, is still in its early construction phase. The first concrete was poured in December 2025, and work is ongoing to complete the foundation. The forging of its reactor vessel marks a key step in the long manufacturing chain ahead. This synchronized progress demonstrates the scale and coordination required for modern nuclear projects. It also reflects the efficiency of Russia's integrated nuclear industry, where design, manufacturing, and construction work in close alignment. Expanding the perspective further, the implications of this development extend beyond a single power plant. As countries look for cleaner energy solutions, nuclear power is increasingly seen as a reliable option. Russia, through its nuclear sector, continues to position itself as a global leader by offering complete solutions, from reactor construction to fuel supply and long-term operation. The success of the VVER-TOI could strengthen this position even further. With its focus on long service life, advanced safety, and efficient production, this reactor design aligns with global trends in sustainable energy. As Altitude Addicts concludes, such next-generation systems could play a key role in meeting future energy demands. In conclusion, the forging of this massive steel ingot represents far more than a manufacturing step. It symbolizes the evolution of nuclear engineering towards safer, more efficient, and longer-lasting energy systems. As construction at Kursk Nuclear Power Plant-2 continues, the world will be watching closely. If successful, this project could set new global standards for nuclear power and open the door to a new era of reliable and clean energy. If you liked the video, please subscribe, share, and like. Also, please take the membership of the channel to encourage us.